Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E all-in-one printer step by step for the first time. So, let's get started. Step 1. First, carefully remove the printer from the box. Remove all packing tape, stickers, and protective materials from the outside of the printer. Now, lift the scanner lid and remove the protective foam from the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Also, remove all accessories and packing materials from inside the box. Make sure nothing is left inside the printer before turning it on. Step 2. Next, connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall power outlet. Press the power button if the printer does not turn on automatically. On the printer control panel, select your preferred language, tap Confirm, then choose your country or region, tap Confirm again. Important tip: do not connect the USB cable at this time. The connection will be completed during software installation later. Step 3. Now open the input paper tray. Remove any packing material from inside the tray. Slide the paper width guides outward. Insert plain white paper into the tray with the print side facing down. Make sure the short edge goes forward. Adjust the paper width guides so they touch the edges of the paper. Close the input tray. Then pull out the output tray extender. Step 4. Open the front door of the printer. Then open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the carriage moves to the center. Now unpack the ink cartridges carefully. Hold them only from the sides. Insert each cartridge into its correct slot. Push gently until each cartridge clicks into place. Close the ink cartridge access door. Then close the front door. Wait while the printer initializes the cartridges. When initialization completes, tap OK on the screen. The printer will now print an alignment page automatically. When prompted on the printer screen, tap OK. Place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass. Align it according to the indicated corner mark. Close the scanner lid. Tap Scan on the printer display. Wait until the Alignment Successful message appears. Your printhead alignment is now complete. Step 6. Now your hardware setup is finished. Next, install the printer software. Go to 123.hp.com. Download and install the HP Smart app on your computer or mobile device. Open the HP Smart app. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your printer to Wi-Fi. Complete the setup process. Your printer is now ready to print, scan, and copy. And next, to confirm everything is working correctly, open the HP Smart app, select your printer, tap Print Documents or Print Photos, print a test page. If the page prints successfully, your setup is complete. And next, troubleshooting tips. If your printer is not detected during setup, restart your printer, restart your Wi-Fi router, make sure your device is connected to the same network, then reopen the HP Smart app and try again. And that's it. Your HP OfficeJet Pro 8135E all-in-one printer is now successfully set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. If you need any help with installation, Wi-Fi connection, driver download, or troubleshooting support, you can contact our printer support team. Our experts are ready to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.